Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 18th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, today is Good Friday, which is a bank holiday for most people, but it is not a bank holiday for America. So, during the New York session, we definitely could see a little bit of volume in the market. But be very, very careful. Most of the time, bank holidays can be pretty slow. So, anyways, this most recent push that we have up is actually making me think that this is actually a pretty clear looking pattern. This is like five waves of one. This is a corrective wave two. This whole middle section right here is all wave three. This is like an ABC of four, and this potentially is a wave five. So if this happens, then that definitely would turn me into a seller. After the break of structure, we would almost definitely get some kind of a pullback. And after the pullback is where I would be looking for shorts potentially for the continuation of a bigger move to the downside. If this is really a wave five on the much higher time frames, it would also lead to a pretty decent move down. And the first move down would potentially be a big impulsive trend, which maybe even would go down and take out the lower wave four for a big wave A. Most likely a wave A of wave two, because the five waves up on the daily most likely is a wave one. So this all depends on whether or not it breaks structure to the downside. If it doesn't break structure to the downside, that invalidates all of this. And if it doesn't break structure to the downside, I would do nothing but continue to look for logs every single chance I got. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.